everybody, welcome to Kimono Kardio. I'm wearing a kimono, so there's no excuse for you not doing it. And whatever you're wearing, if I can do it in a kimono, you can do it in what you're wearing. This is Routine Judi. It's kind of like playing tennis. Doesn't take up much room. And it's also really, really fast. This is Routine Judi, Kimono Kardio, and no excuse workout. It's kind of like, this one's kind of like tennis. This is Kimono Kardio. Routine Judi. Kimono Kardio. 一緒に踊りましょうね。私は着物着てるけど、あなたは何着ててもいいですよ。一緒に踊りましょう。This is Routine Judi. Kimono Kardio. The no excuse workout. This is Kimono Kardio. The no excuse workout. Kimono Kardio. You guys are great. Love you.